Hello everyone. Summer is coming and we all try to keep ourselves hydrated all the time. Especially we want to keep ourselves cool all the time. So we always have coconut water or some fresh juices or smoothies. But let me tell you, sabudana or sago, this is a wonderful one which helps our body keeps cooling all the time, and also it has some tremendous health benefits. It always keeps our body energetic. So let me tell you how to prepare the sabudana jaggery kheer. First of all, I have taken here 250 grams of sabudana. Sabudana here I have taken which are bigger in size. See, these are looking just like pearls, right? So do not take smaller ones, just take bigger ones, because if you cook or boil the smaller ones, they'll turn into paste like consistency and your kheer doesn't taste properly. So take big size sabudana which are 250 grams. Here I have taken 250 grams. Wash it for once and then soak it for 1 hour. 1 hour is enough. Do not over soak the sabudana, otherwise the same thing happens. They'll turn into paste like consistency once you start boiling it. So see, they are almost doubled and see, properly soaked. Now you need to properly strain all the water from the sabudana. So remove all the water from this and separate the sabudana. So once you're done, you need to put them into a separate bowl and then put it aside. Now take a bowl in which you're going to prepare the kheer. Here I have taken the bowl and added 400 ml of water into it and added all the drained sabudana into the kheer bowl. So see, add all the sabudana into it and then put it aside. Now take another bowl and add 500 ml of full cream milk into the bowl. Why full cream milk? Because your kheer will be creamy. Otherwise it's your wish, you can take any milk you want. Here I have taken 500 ml and then goes both the bowls on the stove on low flame. So you need to cook sabudana on low flame and you need to frequently stir it, otherwise there are chances that you might burn your sabudana. So on the other hand, you need to boil the milk and then cool it. So see here, it's almost cooled my milk. Put it aside. Now again take another bowl and add 1 full cup of jaggery into it. And again this depends on your choice. You can add 1.5 also if you want to have more sweet into it. Just add half a cup of water and then start boiling it. You don't need to get string like consistency, just melt the jaggery, that's it. Now on the other hand, turn off the flame of the sabudana and then add fresh elaichi into it or cardamom. Otherwise you can add cardamom powder also. You can add some cardamom and sugar and blend it and then you can add the powder. But here I have freshly ground and added into the sabudana. You can observe here, I have turned off the flame of the sabudana over here. So remember, you need to turn off the flame. Now once, see here, your jaggery is almost melted. I have told you earlier, you don't need any string like consistency. So once the jaggery is melted, take a sieve and directly add all the jaggery juice into the sabudana bowl. So here the sand and the straw and the grass, whatever are there, all the particles get separated. That is why we ask you to sieve it properly. So once you have sieved it nicely, keep stirring it until the jaggery and the sabudana get mixed well. Once it mixed well, turn on the flame again now and then keep boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame and then again turn it off. On the other hand, add your choice of nuts or dry fruits. Here I have taken cashews and raisins, and then in the jaggery, in the ghee I have fried and then put it aside. Now see, once you boiled the jaggery and the sabudana, you need to cool it down completely. After you cooled it down completely, and also my milk is it's already cooled, so add both the cooled ones and then keep stirring it. First I have added 300 ml of milk and then I check the consistency. Some like to have in a thicker, creamier consistency, some like to have a little bit watery type consistency. So here I have added the entire 500 ml of milk and then I have stirred it nicely and see, it's all done. your sabudana is transparent and pearly. This is what the exact sabudana kheer looks like. So that's it. You can serve it like this, otherwise you can cool it in the refrigerator and serve it cool also. So anyways you can do it, but remember, you should not add hot milk or hot jaggery into the sabudana, otherwise there are chances of curdling. So remember, you should not do those things. Follow the simple tips and tricks, and you prepare this to your loved ones and serve them hot or cold as your choice. So enjoy the sabudana jaggery kheer this summer and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Thank you.